BSI has been a trusted leader in developing international standards with global experts for over 100 years. Our library of over 6,000 manufacturing standards helps organisations optimise their production by increasing efficiency, reducing waste, and embracing innovation across the supply chain. From design and production to packaging and distribution, our standards can help elevate manufacturing practices and provide sustainable solutions. You can instantly access all these standards anywhere, anytime on our online platform BSI Knowledge, allowing you to easily find the specific information you need. BSI Knowledge caters to diverse needs. Tailor subscriptions to suit different departments within your organisation, guaranteeing access to the most applicable standards for everyone. Ensure your operations meet all relevant regulations and incorporate the latest industry best practices. Regular notifications and tracked changes documents keep you informed of any changes to standards. Get comprehensive training and ongoing support, all as part of your subscription. BSI Knowledge is the home for standards. Contact us today for a free product demonstration.